So here's how we can send photos as documents in WhatsApp on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. Let's get started. And if it's your first time here, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Of course, when you're going through the WhatsApp situation, as such, you'll have the ability to basically just get inside your chats and attach some different things to it. So by tapping the plus button, you're going to tap on the photos and attach your photos and videos as normal, right? This is how it's going to look, whatever. But you also have the ability to click on the plus button and tap on a document, click on choose from files, and then you might see some photos stored right there. And then now when you click on just share it as such, you can see that we as well shared the photo, but it looks differently, right? It's like shared as a document instead of the actual photo in the chat. And as you can see, this was just the difference. Instead of sharing the photo from the gallery, you share the photo from the Files app. And in order to get the photo to the Files app, you just go to your gallery and locate your image, click on share, and you save it to the Files app. There is a little option for that, so you get to decide the folder and the place where it's supposed to be stored, but you essentially just copy it from the gallery, from the regular Photos app to the Files app, and this will be reflected differently inside of the actual chat of the WhatsApp as well, right? So that is how it would work. Let me know if you managed to make it work for yourself as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.